Albatros 6 Delta Tango, the Stearman upwinds in the pattern, right down approved, wind calm, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27 right, 6 Delta Tango.
Stearman 830, 2 departures prior to arrival, short approach approved, wind calm, runway 27 right, clear touch go.
Clear touch go, 27 right, Lucas does 2 departures, Stearman 6 at 830.
Cessna 290, taxi up 2, hold short of runway 27 right.
Up 2 and hold short, 27 right, 290.
South landside 38, complete runway 17, request departure to the south.
Landside 38, present position clear for takeoff, southbound, and wind calm.
Clear takeoff, clear departure to the southbound, wind calm. Landside 38.
Cessna 290, are you able to expedite?
Well, yeah, we're able, 290.
Cessna 290, traffic on the short approach is a Stearman, without delay, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, wind calm, caution wake turbulence departed, Albatros.
27 right, clear for takeoff, no delay, 290.
Albatros 6 Delta Tango, left 15, contact ground 2.
Delta Tango.